In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo in Shopify. This connection lets Klaviyo pull in key store data like customers and orders, so you can send more timely and relevant emails. Take your time with each screen and make sure you are signed in to both Klaviyo and the Shopify admin for the store you want to connect. Start by opening your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you are in, look down the left sidebar and click the Integrations tab. This is where Klaviyo manages connections to other platforms. Next, go to the top right area of the page and select Explore Directory. That opens the integration directory where you can search for the exact platform you need. In the search bar, type Shopify. When the Shopify result appears, click on the Shopify card to open the integration page. From here, select the Install button. Klaviyo will then ask for your Shopify store URL. Carefully type your store URL into the text box. Make sure it is the correct store address, because this is how Klaviyo knows which Shopify account to connect to. After entering the store URL, click the Connect to Shopify button. You will be redirected to Shopify to approve permissions. On the Shopify permissions page, select Install. This step authorizes Klaviyo to access the data it needs to sync your store activity properly. If you manage multiple Shopify stores or accounts, confirm you are approving the correct one before continuing. Once you have approved the installation, you will return to Klaviyo to finish setup options. Look for the checkbox that says Sync your Shopify email subscribers to Klaviyo and check it. This is important because it ensures people who opted in through Shopify can be added to your email marketing audience in Klaviyo. After checking that box, choose your preferred list from the drop-down menu. Pick the list where you want Shopify subscribers to be collected, ideally your main newsletter or marketing list. Keeping this organized now will make segmentation and automation much easier later. Finally, go to the bottom right and click Complete Setup. Give it a moment to finalize, and your integration will be in place. That covers everything you need to know.